Okay, so now that we are doing once a week, there's definitely more coverage. So Teacher Bern has actually prepared the worksheets. Have you done the worksheets already?
Yeah.
Oh, you have done the worksheets already. Oh, okay. So if it's only just you and me, then I think it will be quite fast. So let's say this is our first question, right? How do you figure out your answer? How would you answer this question? Hmm.
Because the pattern has 5 letters, so
Very good. Yes, it is a pattern. There are 5 letters, and then
they say which letter will appear in the 167 position.
right.
I forgot how I did it.
Okay, because it is a pattern, right? So there should be certain repetitive kind of thing that you need to follow, isn't it? For example, like when you already told me there are 5, okay? So let me ask you, first letter must be what?
D.
Which means after the first letter, then you follow your group of 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then number 6 will be a repeat already, right? So your number 6 will be a what?
D again.
D again, right? Then when we go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 finish already. So 11 will be what again?
11 will still be D.
Exactly. 16. You must know your groups of 5 very well. How are your groups of 5 linked to each other? Number 1, number 6 will be the same. Number 11, number 16 will be the same. Number 21, number 26 will be the same. Because every time you finish with 5, right, you start the next number, it is either with a 1 or with a 6. Am I right to say that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Because this is the pattern, right? We are able to project into very, very big numbers. Because now you have a very big number, 167. You are not going to start writing all the way until you reach 167, you will die. Correct? Your teacher will also die. So we know 1 and 6 is the same. Forever, 1 and 6 forever the same. Then what else is the same? 2 and what?
2 and 3. Wait. 2 and 6.
No, because 1 and 6 already the same.
Oh yeah.
Next will be 2 and something else. I tell you what, let's put our 5 digits together, yeah? Okay. This is the pattern, correct?
Yeah.
So we already have 1 here. This is supposed to be 2. This is supposed to be 3. Then we follow with 4, right? You have your pen to annotate or not?
Yeah.
So you can annotate together with me. So when we finish with 5, right? Where is 6? 6 goes back to the first letter, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then after that, where is 7? Maybe you can
7
write down.
is the second letter.
You got your pen to write?
Yeah.
Then you write, okay? Are you able to? Because I don't see any ink mark.
I can't write on the screen.
But you saw the annotation function or not? Do you have the annotation function?
Pen button.
There is a... Okay,
Oh,
actually...
I can already.
Oh, yeah, okay. The blue one, right? Yeah, okay. So after 6, then where is 7? You can just follow the numbers down.
7 here.
Very good. Where's 8? Yes, 9? 10?
10.
What about 11?
11 will go back to D again.
Repeat again, right? Then
Yeah.
12?
Will be the second letter.
Will repeat again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are actually seeing the numbers that are found in the ones place. The numbers that are found in the digits that are found in the ones place will keep on repeating, isn't it? Correct?
Yeah.
So if our question is 167, what digit can you expect to see? 167 is in which place?
100.
Sorry, no, I don't mean that. I mean, according to where we have written, right? Now I lost my pen. I mean, as in, is it here? Is it here? Is it here? Is it here? Or is it here? Where
Is
will you see 167?
First
Where,
one.
where? First one, as in here, 167.
Yeah.
No, not right, not right. Not right. Okay, in that case, you have to practice already. Right, the 11. Where is 11? Where is 11?
Yeah.
I think, yes, here is 11, right? 12? Yes, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I know we have no space to write, so maybe you have to write on top. 16?
Where do I write?
You can write here. Okay,
Okay.
16, I write for you, 16. Then where is 17? Yes, 18, 19, 20. Okay, enough. Do you see whenever you have a 6 or a 1 or a 6 in the ones place, it will be under the first letter. Whenever you see a 7 or a 2 or a 7 or a 2, it is actually the second letter. When you see an 8 or a 3 or an 8 or a 3, they are the third letter. When you see a 9, a 4, a 9, a 4, they keep repeating. It is the fourth letter. And when you see a 0, a 0, a 5, another 0, another 5, they are in the fifth place. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So because of this, you look for the number 167. Which digit do you focus on? 167, you must identify where?
16.
Not 16. You must identify the 7.
Oh.
You know what I mean or not? The
Yeah.
7 is in the ones place. So it is like saying all the 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, all will be under the second letter. Am I right to say that?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I test you. I just throw you another number. What about 908? 908 will be under which one?
This one.
90. You underline the fourth one, is it? I think I have to clean first. Wait, let me clean first. Okay, because too messy already.
I have
Hang
to
on,
clean my own.
I think I can clean yours, but I have to go into a different system. Oops. Wait. Where's my screen? Okay, wait. I bring my screen out again. Okay, I have to go into the annotation function to look for the eraser. And then clear. Oh, the other part are all my ink. Okay, now because we learn about your ones place, we were saying that we have to use the ones place, right?
Yeah.
So just now I was talking about looking for the ones place, and I gave you 908, isn't it?
Yeah.
908. The ones place is which digit?
8.
8, exactly. 8 appears where? Okay, we start again. This first one that I'm circling now, you should see 1 and you should see what? 1 and what?
1 and 6.
1 and 6, yes. The second one, you should see what sort of number?
2.
2 and?
2 and
We can use our finger to count. After 6 is what?
7.
7. 2 and 7. Then the third one should be what sort of number?
3 and 8.
3 and 8, yes. So when I ask you for 908, right? The 8 tells you it is in this third place. What about the fourth one?
Fourth one is 4 and 9.
Very good. 4 and 9. Fifth one,
5 and
5 and
10.
0. 0. You look for 0. Okay?
Okay.
Because 10, 20, 30, 40 all ends with 0. Okay? So, yeah. So the thing is, you must be very familiar with this because usually one question will come out. But of course, when one question come out, you also don't want to throw away your marks, right? So when we are talking about groups of fives, generally groups of five quite easy to remember. You just think of like your 5 times table. You will have 5, 10, 15, 20. So all the 5 and the 0 will always be at the same place. Then from there, you just move on. If 5 and 0 always at the same place, what about go backwards? Then 4 and 9 always at the same place. Go backwards some more. 3 and 8 always the same place. Go backwards 2 and 7 always the same place. Go backwards some more. 1 and 6 always same place. Okay, so your first answer should be our 167 already settled, right?
Yeah.
167, the answer should be D. Now let's move on to our next question. Okay. All right. The second question, also a pattern. Now, what sort of pattern do you see?
There's 5 numbers in one pattern.
Very good. It is 5 again. That means they group. Aha. Yes, yes. You are able to.
Divided by 5.
Huh?
85
divided by 5. You can, but actually also not necessary. You know why when you have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever you have 5, do you know that it is always the same pattern as the question 1?
Yeah.
Your first is always going to be a 12. Your second is always going to be a 19. Your third is going to be a 19. Your fourth again is a 20. And your fifth will be your 18. But because there are 5, and you know that numbers, we only have 10 numbers. So when you have 5, it's like half of the 10 numbers. And because it's half of the 10 numbers, that's why your 6 will match your 1. Then your 7 will match your 2. Your 8 will match your 3. Your 9 will match your 4. And your 10 or the 0 will match your 5. So when we repeat our 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, the ones place, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually repeat themselves. So do you even need to actually figure out your 85? Do you know where 85 is going to be?
Yeah.
Where exactly is it? Can you annotate on it? Where is 85?
Underline.
You can write the number 85 because I'm slowly writing, right? You can actually write your 85 there, wherever you see.
Under the number?
Yeah, under any number, whichever you think is the correct number. Very good. Yes, so your 85, because in terms of your ones place, right, it is a 5. So because it's a 5, right, all 5s will end up with this 18. 75 will end up there, 95 will end up there, even 1005 will end up there, and so on. Okay, are we good? Are we okay already?
Yep.
Okay, so no problem with this question, right? Let's try our next question then. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have a shape question. Okay, now you see this question. And the question is asking for the 64th shape. Wow, 64th shape is a little challenging. So which shape is it?
Is B.
It's B?
Yeah.
Why do you say it's B?
Because there is 5 shapes.
Okay.
Then the number they're asking us to do is 64.
Yes,
So
yes.
just at 65, it will always be at a circle. So you just minus 1.
Very good. Okay, so all the 5s are the circle. All the 4s will be this 5-sided figure, which we call a pentagon. Okay, it's known as a pentagon, and you are correct. Okay, well done. Okay, so far so good. Now I'm going to go on to something difficult. So you stand by, okay? This is really difficult. And this is not in your worksheet. This is what we call